Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss about the electrophilic substitution reaction of anisole. Okay students, in that first we'll see the halogenation reaction of anisole. Okay, so you know halogenation. So just see here, first of all you see the structure of anisole, benzene ring containing the OCH3 group. This is a ether group OCH3. So we can say it is a anisole. Benzene containing the OCH3, we can say it is an anisole. Okay, it reacts with Br2 Br2 in presence of ethanoic acid. Okay, see here how halogenation reaction takes place. So you know the halogenation, hydrogen is replaced by the halogen group. So here bromine is the halogens. Okay, so how many bromines are there? 4 bromines. Okay, so just see when this electrophilic substitution reaction takes place, the electrophile, that is a Br, so which is going to attack at ortho and para position. Okay, so you know why? Because ortho and para is the more electron is center. So but in this reaction here we'll get a para product is a major product. Why? Because here methoxy group OCH3 group is the activating group which can activate the benzene ring. So that's why here we'll get a para product is a major product. Just see the reaction first. So when anisole reacts with bromine, how many bromines are there? 4 Br means 2 Br2. So just see when this Br going to be attached at para position. So what happens when Br is attached here? The hydrogen from this anisole is removed and one more Br, this HBr is removed. So again one more Br going to attach at ortho position. Again the hydrogen from here removed and one Br means 2 HBr will remove and here we will get a para bromoanisole. Now clear how we will get a para bromoanisole? So the bromine is attached at para position. Okay, and again the bromine is going to be attached at ortho position. Remaining structure as it is, only bromine we can attach at para and ortho position. Para means 1,4 position and ortho means 1,2 position. And 2 HBr is removed as the byproduct. In this reaction, para bromoanisole is the major product and ortho bromoanisole is a minor product. So means 90% product here will get and here will get only 10% of the product. So reason is what? So here OCH3 group, methoxy group is the activating group which can activate the benzene ring. So that's why here we'll get a para product is a major. Now clear student everybody? So next reaction, that is a nitration of anisole. So you know the nitration reaction. So during the nitration reaction, we are going to using the nitric acid. You know the formula of nitric acid, HNO3. So we can use the HNO3. So just see nitration of anisole. You know the structure of anisole. This is the structure of anisole. Benzene ring containing the OCH3 group. So this anisole reacts with nitric acid. You know the formula of nitric acid, HNO3. This is the formula of nitric acid. But this HNO3 I am going to be simplified like this. HONO2. See just HNO3. Here 2 oxygen in here, 1 more oxygen means total 3 oxygen, HNO3. Okay, just see nitration is nothing but hydrogen is replaced by the nitro group. See here also same condition. Here we will get a para product is a major product. So this NO2 group when going to be attached at ortho position, what happened then? The hydrogen from this anisole is removed. This is the structure of anisole. The hydrogen is removed from here and this remaining one OH. Here this hydrogen and this OH, H2 will remove and this NO2 going to attach at ortho position. Means here we will get a 2-nitro anisole. Again same NO2. Here already we taken the 2 times, 2 HNO3 and here anisole also will take a 2 times. Here NO2 again going to attach at a para position. Then what happens students? The hydrogen from this para is removed and this OH and this hydrogen H2 means totally 2 water molecule remove and here we will get a 4-nitro anisole. Okay, now clear everybody? So how anisole undergoes nitration reaction and we will get a 2-nitro anisole and 4-nitro anisole. Here 4-nitro anisole is a major product. Here also same reason. OCH3 means methoxy group is the activity group which can activate the benzene ring. That's why we will get a 4-nitro anisole is a major product. Now clear student everybody? Okay, now we will discuss the next reaction. Okay students, now we will discuss the third reaction, that is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So you are well familiar with this reaction. In 11th standard already we studied this reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So student, just see, so this Friedel-Crafts reaction will occur in presence of anisole. Okay. Already in 11th standard same reaction we'll discuss, but their benzene ring is there only. Okay. So here we'll taken the anisole. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Just see, anisole reacts with methyl chloride. Here I have taken the two anisole molecule, benzene ring OCH3 group, that is the structure of anisole. Okay, and here I have taken the CH3Cl is nothing but methyl chloride. Here are this CH3Cl also two times. Okay, so this react with in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous means removal of water molecule. No water content is there. Anhydrous AlCl3. Aluminium trichloride we are using here. So what happened here? So this methyl chloride, methyl group, alkylation is nothing but what? Hydrogen is replaced by the alkyl group. Here, which is alkyl group? CH3 is the alkyl groups. So this alkyl group going to attach at ortho and para position. When this CH3 is attached here at ortho position, then what happens? The hydrogen is removed from here. That removed hydrogen and one Cl means HCl will remove. Here we will taken already two times. Again CH3 going to attach at para position. Again the CH3 will attach and HCl will remove. Means we will get a 2-methoxy-toluene. So just see, this CH3 is attached at ortho position. So when this OCH3 is not there, then what we can say? Only benzene ring containing the CH3, we can say it is a toluene. Okay, this is also one of the chemical compound. When benzene ring attached with CH3 group, we can say it is a toluene. Okay, so that's why you can given the naming like this, 2-methoxy. 1, 2, this is the major compound, that's why we are starting numbering here, 1, 2. So 2-methoxy, OCH3 is methoxy group, 2-methoxy-toluene. Okay. And here we will get a 4-methoxy-toluene. So this is the ortho position and this is what? Para position. So in this case, which is a major and minor product? Same reason is that OCH3 is activating groups which can activate the benzene ring. So para is the major product and byproduct is what? HCl will remove 2HCl. Okay, because two times this CH3 is attached at ortho and para, 2 hydrogen and this 2 Cl, which totally 2 hydrochloric acid is removed as the byproduct. So this is what? Friedel-Crafts alkylations. Now we'll see the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So in acylation reactions we are going to using the acyl group. Okay, so just see same reactions. We have taken the anisole, benzene ring containing the OCH3 group which is reacted with acetyl chloride. What is the name of this? Acetyl chloride. Okay, acetyl chloride CH3COCl. So in that acyl group, that is a COCH3 group, this one CH3CO, this whole group when going to attach at ortho and attach at para. First we see it is taken two times already. Just see, this anisole we are taken two times and this acyl group also will taken two times, acetyl chloride. This also have to taken two times. Means one COCH3 group going to attach at ortho position and one COCH3 group attach on para position. And what remove? 2 hydrogen and this 2 Cl. 2 HCl will remove and we will get this product 2-methoxyacetophenone. So this is a COCH3. COCH3 it is a ketone group, that's why here 1, 2 on second carbon methoxy group is there and this is acetophenone. Okay, so because ketone group is there, phenone ONE, ketone that is a suffix. So it is a minor product ortho and at para position same COCH3 group is attached at para, so we will get a 4-methoxyacetophenone is the major product. So students, in next class we will discuss the further reactions. Thank you so much.